Hello everyone, welcome to this Setfos installation video. In here I am going to show you how you can install Setfos software. So before start of this installation video, I want to introduce myself. I am Sahil Verma, working as an application engineer in the Impulse Technology. It is a well-known company that working on the distributor parts of the number of the software. So I'm going to show you how you can install Setfos softwares. I hope everyone have got this type of message or email. So you can see I will show you one by one each of the steps how you can download and install the Setfos softwares. Setfos using this link. So you can use this setup link file.exe and click on this. Download has been started in here, you can see. After this setup files, you need to double click on this and click on the next. I accept this agreements and click on the next, and it is a path where you can set, so it totally depend on you, and click on the next. After the next, if you want to create a desktop shortcut, so you can use, and otherwise you can click on the next, and then you can click on the install. After the finish, you need to install one of the license file in here, so you need to follow the another steps. Move with again this third steps have completed in here, and now you need to move in the fourth step. Open a browser and go to the web page http localhost 1947. So you need to copy this directly, click on this and paste in here that link, and you can see this type of user interface, and click on the configuration. Access to the remote license manager, click on this. If you have it is enabled, so you need to disable broadcast search for remote license. Paste here in your lic.fluxim.cloud, and you can copy this, move it in this and tab, and click on the control view and click on the submit. After this, you can open the Setfos softwares. It is the GUI of the Setfos software, so please use this. It is the way how you can install Setfos softwares. Thank you very much.